It'll be all right. It'll be all right. Maddie,
No, not today.
That's an emergency.
Goodbye.
Stop.
Bye.
Please, Maddie, don't do this. Please, this is important.
Rachel, let him in. I am calling the police. No, I am calling the FBI. I am calling the CIA. I am calling someone.
Don't
I'm
do
calling
that.
your mother.
Okay, got it.
Maddie, can we just...
Tom, what's going on? You're all over the news. I've been trying to call you.
I had to ditch my phone so they couldn't track me.
Track?
Uncle Tommy!
Jojo! Hey!
Now your niece is an accessory to treason. Are you
She's
happy?
not.
Would you calm down?
Calm down. I will not calm down.
Enough.
Yes, calm down. Stop talking. No, Ozzy, please. Ozzy, good to see you. No.
Little Lord, baby Jesus. What is that, Tom? Is it plutonium? Is it emails?
Yes, it's plutonium. Can we just please, can we just go in the other room and talk? Stop it, Ozzy, quit it.
This is why I told you he was no good.
I'm not engaging.
You're not engaging. No, Ozzy, quit it.
No, open.
Locked.
No, it's unlocked. And
Ozzy,
it's
no.
you could-
Ozzy, no.
Oh, catch me, Jojo.
Oh, thank God. Can I get a glass of water?
I just thought you might like a latte with steamed Austrian goat milk.
What do I look like, an imbecile? Of course I want a latte. I love the way you make them!
Ready the prototype.
With this kind of power, my machines can finally reach their full potential.
Oh, what are you gonna do?
Oh, yeah, that's a good question.
Yeah.
It's time to finally put Twinkle Toes lights out.
Oh.
This is a job for the boss!